There are lots of challenges and there are lots of moving parts. We're certainly seeing some volatility in the markets, but I think that the economic angle is important and probably of interest to your readers. So what I would say is that the British economy is fundamentally strong. We're competitive and we remain open for business. So we've seen strong growth, low inflation, and we have very high employment at the moment. So we'll want to continue building those links. Well, once we have a new Prime Minister in the autumn, then discussions will start with Slovenia and with all European partners on what the nature of the UK's relationship with Europe should be in the future. And I think there's really broad recognition in the UK that this isn't about the UK turning our back on Europe, that Europe is our biggest trading partner and we'll still want to have a very close and a close partnership with Europe, but the discussions and the debate will have to be about what form that takes. And as for Slovenia, I had really positive discussions on Friday with President Pahor, with Prime Minister Sera's team and with Minister Erjavec. We were also celebrating the 25th anniversary of Slovenia's independence, and I was handing over a message from the Queen congratulating Slovenia. So that was really an opportunity to reflect on how our partnership and our friendship has evolved over the last 25 years, and agreeing that that remained really important going forward. We want to continue building our relationship. We'll work closely once these discussions and negotiations start, but more broadly, looking ahead, we want to continue working very closely as bilateral and NATO partners, as well as in the context of the UK's future relationship with Europe. Well, the UK's trade with Slovenia has grown steadily over the last 25 years, and so as ambassador, it's one of my goals to see that growth continue. So we have very close links with people in government here to help build those links. There's also a very dynamic group, the British Slovene Chamber of Commerce, which is helping build links between British and Slovene companies who want to export and invest. So that is going from strength to strength at the moment, and I want that to continue. Whilst the negotiations take place over the next few years, then the arrangements for trade between the UK, Slovenia and member states remain exactly the same. And the future nature of those arrangements will have to be discussed in the negotiations. But I hope that whatever is agreed in the future, will still enable a very strong and close trading relationship between us.